Hello and welcome friend to our YouTube channel Competitive Study Hub. Today we are discussing about top 38 MCQ questions on the topic of economic budget. So let's start today's video. Friends, the first question is, the budget is presented under which article of the Constitution? And the answer is article 112. So the budget presented under article number 112 of the Constitution. Next, the word budget originates from which French word? And the answer is budget. Budget is the actual word which from the budget originate. Next, what is the difference between total receipts and total expenditure? And the answer is budget deficit. Budget deficit is the difference between total receipts and total expenditure. Next, the estimated receipts of the government from all sources in an accounting year are called by which name? So the answer is budget receipts. So the estimated receipts of the government from all sources in accounting year are called by budget receipts. So friends, if you are not subscribing our channel till now, please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon for latest update. The next question is, how many times has a mini budget presented in India? In India, the answer is 4. In India, 4 times has a mini budget presented. Next, question number 6 is, who has presented the budget most number of the times in India? The answer is Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai has presented the budget most number of times in India. Question number 7. Who is the father of Indian budget? So the answer to the father of the Indian budget is James Wilson. James Wilson is the father of Indian budget. Who has presented the first Indian budget of independent India? The answer is R.K. Shanmugam Chetty is the has presented the first Union budget of independent India. Next, question number 9. When was the first Union budget of independent India presented? The answer is November 26, 1947. Question number 10. Name the first Indian state which presented digital budget. The first Indian state which presented the digital budget is Uttarakhand. Concept of zero budget natural farming or JBNF was first propagated by whom? The answer is Subhas Palekar. Subhas Palekar was first propagated the concept of zero budget natural farming. Next question, who presents the union budget in the parliament? The finance minister presents the union budget in the parliament. So the answer is finance minister. Next questions is, who is the only finance minister to present the union budget on his birthday? The answer is Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai is the only finance minister. Sorry friends, this is not finance minister, this is finance minister. Morarji Desai is only the finance minister to present the union budget on his birthday. Question number 14. When was railway budget merged with union budget? The railway budget and the union budget merged in 2017. So the answer is 2017. Who proposed the first budget of Republic of India in 1950? The answer is John Mathai. John Mathai proposed the first budget of Republic of India in 1950. Question number 16. Who presented the first mini budget? The first mini budget was presented by T.T. Krishnamachari. T.T. Krishnamachari was presented the first mini budget. The next question is, which body prepares Union Budget of India? Ministry of Finance was prepares Union Budget of India. So the answer is Minister of Finance. On which day is the Union Budget presented in Lok Sabha normally? In the month of February is the Union Budget presented in Lok Sabha normally. Actually, the answer is okay. Next question is, what does vote on account deals with? Vote on account deals with expenditure of the government. Vote on account deals with the expenditure of the government. Question number 20. When the budget was first introduced in India? The budget was first introduced in India in 1860. The next question is, who established the tradition of carrying the budget in a leather briefcase? Mr. R.K. Shanmugam Chetty was established the tradition of carrying the budget in a leather briefcase. So the answer was Mr. R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. Question number 22. Who broke the tradition of carrying the budget in a leather briefcase and carried the Bahi Khata? This is very important question. These two, number 21 and number 22, these two questions are very important for exam, because first one, who established the tradition of carrying the budget in a leather briefcase, and the second one, who broke the tradition of carrying the budget in a leather briefcase and he carried the Bahi Khata, and this answer is Nirmala Sitharaman was the answer of question number 22. Nirmala Sitharaman has broke the tradition of carrying the budget in a leather briefcase and carried the Bahi Khata. Question number 23. Who has changed the time of budget presentation from 5 p.m. to 11 a.m.? The Finance Minister Yashwant Sinha has changed the time of budget presentation from 5 p.m. to 11 a.m. So friends, if you are not subscribing our channel till now, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest video. Next question, who was the first woman finance minister to present the budget on February 28 in 1970? The answer was Indira Gandhi. Yes. So Indira Gandhi was the first finance minister to present the budget on February 28, 1970. Next question is, the shortest budget speech comprising 800 words was given by whom in 1977 while delivering the interior budget? Actually, there is a mistake. That is not interior, that is interim budget. The shortest budget speech comprising 800 words was given by Mr. H.M. Patel in 1977 while delivering the interim budget. So the answer is H.M. Patel. Who is the finance minister introduced the concept of service tax? So Dr. Manmohan Singh, the ex-prime minister, was introduced the concept of service tax. The budget presented in which financial year was also called as dream budget? The budget of 1997 to 1998 was presented. This financial year was called as dream budget. The question is, which ceremony, there is a typing mistake. Which ceremony is performed 10 days prior to the presentation of budget? And the name of the ceremony is Halwa ceremony. So the question is, which ceremony is performed 10 days prior to the presentation of budget? So the answer is Halwa ceremony. Next question is, the fact disclosure schemes for black money were made in? The answer is 1965 to 1966 budget. Next question, the longest budget in terms of word was presented by former Prime Minister Mr. Manmohan Singh in 1991. The longest budget Point to be noted, the longest budget in terms of words were presented by former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in 1991. Budget presented during which financial year was known as the Black Budget? The financial year is 1973 to 1974. In 1973 to 1974, this financial year was known as the Black Budget. So, next question is 32. Who is the first full-time woman finance minister to present the union budget? The answer is Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is the first full-time woman minister to present the union budget. The next question is, until which year the union budget was presented in only English? So the answer is in up to 1955 the union budget was presented in only English. Okay, next question 34. Were the only two finance minister who didn't present any Indian budget? So the answer is Mr. K.C. Niyogi and Mr. H.N. Bahuguna were the only finance minister who didn't present any budget. So this is an important question. Next, question number 35. Transfer pricing regulations were first introduced by which finance minister in 2001 to 2002? The answer is Mr. Yashwant Sinha. Mr. Yashwant Sinha has first introduced transfer pricing regulation. The next questions are question number 36. As per budget 2020, how many airports to be developed by 2024 to support Udan scheme? So the number is 100. Next question, according to budget 2020, people with income tax rupees with income rupees 5 lakh rupees to 7.5 lakh rupees will have to pay how much tax? So those people whose income income source between 5 lakh to 7.5 lakh, they have to pay 10% of their income. Next question is 38. According to budget 2020, by which year will be expansion of Jan Aushadhi Kendra scheme to all districts will be computed? And the answer is 2024. So according to the budget 2024 is the year when the Jan Aushadhi Kendra scheme to all district will be computed. So this is all the top 38 questions from economy budget. Hope it will help you in your exam. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for our support, and for latest video please press the bell icon and share our channel with your friends, with your classmates, and stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, thanks.